Hey everyone! Creating an Amazon Prime Video account in 2026 is faster than ever. While Amazon has largely replaced the shorter 7-day trial, the Join Prime button remains your one-click gateway to streaming. Step 1. Heading to the top right. We are starting at Amazon.com or PrimeVideo.com. We're heading to the Accounts and Lists section in the top right corner. We do this because the Join Prime portal is integrated into your main profile management area. Click the blue Join Prime button. You can also click the Prime link directly in the main navigation bar. Step 2. The registration flow. We're heading to the account creation phase. We do this to link your streaming preferences and billing to a secure Amazon identity. If you have an account, sign in. If not, select Create your Amazon account. Enter your name, email, and a secure password. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your email or mobile phone to verify your identity. Once verified, select your preferred plan, monthly or annual, and confirm your payment method. Done. Browse your favorites. We're finishing on the Prime Video dashboard. We do this to ensure your account is successfully linked and ready for high-definition streaming across all your devices. Click Start Your Membership or Sign Up and Pay. You can now instantly browse for shows like The Boys, Fallout, or the latest 2026 originals. Your watch history and favorites will now sync automatically between your smart TV, phone, and tablet. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.